right? So for turning, I'm going to use a drawing that has been done. Okay, a drawing that has been done. It's actually a very simple drawing. First of all, what you need to do is you sketch this. You sketch this using revolve, and then you rotate it. I know you all know this. Okay, you rotate this, and you're going to get this kind of shape. And then the chamfer. Okay, I did a chamfer on the edge of here, this edge of here, and then the edge of here as well, to get a chamfer. So if you remember turning ataupun lathe machine, they use this type of process where you put your drill ataupun you put your tools and then you try to remove parts slowly, one by one. If you still remember 1281, 1211, okay, class in your first year, and how to remove this. So the same process as in what we have shown in milling machine, except for turning, you need to change the turning machine definition and the generation plan. So first of all, same thing, you've include the Solidworks part, change to Solidworks Cam feature 3, you go to features Cam feature 3, here, you have it here. Okay, this is the stock that was once given. Okay, look at the stock, it's actually a big cubic material. You are interested in doing this, so you define the machine first, define which machine you want to use. So now we're not going to use mill, so we're going to use turn machine. Select the turn machine, and it becomes a turn single machine, turn single tarik machine. Tarik ataupun lari, mesin lari. Mesin lari pun boleh dalam bahasa Melayu. And then you select this one, maintain with this one also. Go to tool grips. I am interested in the rear inch tool grip. So the rear inch tool grip is basically rear kat sini lah. This is the rear, this is the front. Okay, so the rear inch, you have all the information that you need, the tools that you need. Okay, this one is turn tool number 5. This turn tool, mostly this is the center drill, the turn tools. This is all given to you on the tool grip rear. So select this one, you're satisfied with this one. The post-processing that I'm going to use is a 2-dimensional axis. We're not going to use 3-dimensional because we're going to focus on your X and Y. X and Y. Tak ada ke dalam. Just X, keluar dan ke atas. Itu saja. Click more. Tak ada apa-apa information for more. You click on OK. So you're happy with the definition of the machine. Now you're going to define the stock. Click on the stock manager. Define it as the same as what we have done previously, 340L, solid strategy. The definition offset is set it to at least an offset of 0.1. Same goes for this one, 0.1 and 0.1 for the offset parameter. Okay, you click on OK, you're happy with it, it's changed to a 0.1 parameter. Once you have defined the stock, now you define the machine features. You click on the machine features, extract machine features. It comes out with all the information that you're going to use. Okay, the first one is the face features, and then these features here. The third one is to groove it here, to groove the features here. The fourth one is to group the feature over here, and finally to cut off step by step slowly until you have the features becomes with the product that you want. If you're not happy with the features, you click on the parameters that you want, change the features to say thread if you're interested in using a thread. At the moment, I'm going to use rough and surface finish, so I click on OK. I'm happy with this one. Okay, you can also edit this definition, change the definition to turn features and so on. So actually, Solidworks has given you all the information that you need. Okay, so basically everything that if you include this type of product, it will give you the ones that are necessary. But if you're not interested in one, if you don't have, let's say in UMP tak ada mesin yang kamu nak, you can change it. But at the moment, since we are using simulation only, so yang ada tu kita ambil sebagai the things that we want. Okay. Selepas selesai define machine features, we generate the operation plan. So click on the operation plan, and dia akan keluar all the operation plan that we have. Now notice yang ini adalah kita punya tara machine kita. Face, the turn face. Right click on the groove. Notice the tool selected was not on the groove. Okay, you just clear it. If you clear it, dia akan clear semua sekali dah. Alright. Once you have completed that, you satisfied with it, the generate tool path, generate operation plan, adjust the parameter you have completed. Now you generate the tool path. So you click on the generate tool path, dia akan generate all the tool path that you want. Okay. So again, click on here until here, and they will show you, it will show you all the steps of the target machine. Okay. Okay, starting from here, it goes down, remove step by step, and then remove sedikit sehinggalah di bahagian ini until it forms. Once you have done that, generate toolpath, you simulate the toolpath. Okay, simulate the toolpath, see if the path is correct or not. So click on display just to show you. Kalau tak ada, kamu biarkan dia, and then you simulate it. Okay. So dia akan cut lah, one by one, step by step. Removes how many ml. The generation of the tools, the steps is basically the correct steps lah. Okay. So this is what you are going to obtain in final output, your final output. So if you're satisfied with that, you click OK, and then finally you're happy with the toolpath, you go to your process and transmit the file into CNC. So you go to your post processing, save this one anywhere in your desktop, and generate the NC, the G the code, G code, G and M code. Go to your desktop. Okay, go to your desktop, and here is your G code. Okay. Alright, so far itu sajalah. Itu sahaja yang untuk turning, same thing, same process as milling untuk generate G code, M code. Okay, before saya ingat dah pukul 11.30. Okay, we can close everything up before 11.40, 11.35. we have another 3 to 5 minutes for any questions and answers. Okay, I open up. If you have any problem with it, boleh tanya saya lah macam mana kalau if you're going to draw a helmet, for example, for your project, which part am I going to do? So a helmet, first of all, you need to draw, there are many parts, like 10 parts. So you can use those 10 parts to generate using CAM. So one of the parts you must generate with NC. Tak semua, you don't need to generate all of it. Kan? Saya pun tak ingat soalan dia, tapi I think that's the questions. One of the generation of the G code M code, only you need to generate at least one, ataupun minimum of one, I think, because it's going to take about a lot of G code M code, up to 288 only for this part only. Any questions so far? Alright, kalau tak ada question, I think that's all. That's all for my presentation today. If any of you is not here, okay, I will post one more class tomorrow and present to you the same. If you're not interested, it's fine. Kita akan set up next week as well. Okay. Depends lah, kalau esok tak boleh nak hadir, kita dah buat minggu depan. Okay. That's all from me. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you, I will set up another class. I'll see you again. If there's no question, I'll end with this one. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, esok punya kelas saya akan set up dulu lah, kalau ada kalau saya sempat saya set up. Kalau tak ada, kita buat minggu depan.